Hi everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is birthday mail. I'm super excited, you guys. Um, it's from Becky Long, and I could not believe she sent me this, but she sent me birthday mail, you guys, and I just want to share it with you guys. So it came like this, and she ordered it from Crafts, and she had it shipped to me. So it was supposed to come exactly on my birthday, but the mail was having some problems. So let's go ahead and take everything out. I just want you guys to see that she had KG Crafts wrap it and put some fun birthday crinkle inside as well. But look at these colors, so pretty all together. I love it. And then it came like this. So let's get into it, you guys. I kind of already peeked. I didn't know what what this was, but I did get a message from Christina asking if I had gotten mail because it was lost. And so I'm so glad it arrived. But here's the card, and it says V. And Becky, thank you so much, Becky. I appreciate you so much. You really didn't have to do this. You really surprised me. You made my day. And oh my goodness. You just touched me. You touched my heart. And I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful for you. Thank you so much. You have no idea what this means to me, especially for my birthday. Thank you so much. I can't even thank you enough, seriously. And it says happy birthday. So look at the card. How cute is this card? And it says, I want to be forever young. It's so cute. And then it has these like enamel dots. I love this color. So pretty. Birthday. And then, and it's on really good cardstock, you guys. Even the envelope is very good quality. It was just really nice to see this. Yeah, KG Crafts wrote this for me, for Becky. And it says, happy birthday, V. Your 8x8 paper pad will be shipped separately. This gift is from Becky Long. And then this is her IG, you guys. And of course, her YouTube is Becky Long. So thank you so much. Oh my goodness. This is such a beautiful gesture. Sweet, beautiful, generous gesture. I'm so thankful, Becky. Okay, let's open it. I had to get all my thank yous out, but the wrapping paper as well, it's like a shimmery blue, and I love it so much. And look, you guys. Oh my God. I could not believe that she sent me the Frank Garcia sugar cookie collection. And look at all of this yummy pastelness that she sent. And oh my goodness, this is a brand new collection. Just came out, you guys. Oh my gosh. Becky, I cannot believe you sent me this, you guys. I did order some of this collection from Beadcraft Chick, and I'm also waiting for the paper pad to arrive. And so, yeah, I was gonna do a haul on this, but I'm waiting for the paper to come. I guess it's on hold by the supplier. But you guys, this is, I cannot believe this. Thank you so much, Becky. You made my birthday. You definitely made my birthday. I appreciate you so much. So look at these enamel dots, you guys. Everything's so beautiful. We have some ephemera. Look at the back here. Oh my goodness. Seriously, this birthday mail is amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much, Becky. Look at the chipboard, you guys. How pretty is this collection? I love the gold. So pretty. Look at this, the deer. It's kind of like Santa Baby, but with a twist. I love it. It's like a vintage twist to it. I love the colors. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Becky. You guys, I'm going to have her linked below. if you guys want to see her amazing crafts, because she is very talented, she does have some amazing crafts on her channel, and she can craft clean and simple, she can craft shabby chic, she can craft Halloween. So you guys go ahead and check her out. She has some good content that I think you guys will enjoy, but and on top of that, she is the sweetest person. Look at this. Who sends this? Really? Thank you so much, Becky. I appreciate you so much. I just adore you from the bottom of my heart. You're an amazing person, and really, you didn't have to do this, but I love you for it as well, and I thank you and I appreciate it. And it's just amazing. You almost made me cry when I got this. I was in awe, I could not believe it, was not expecting anything. Thank you so much, Becky. I will see you or talk to you soon. Bye.